Okay, so in this video, I'm going to discuss the process once you have received a proposal from the freelancer and you are happy and ready to hire the freelancer, what the job milestone process looks like. So I'm sitting in the section where it is an example of the proposal that has been sent. You're happy with everything. Now you go and you click hire and set milestones. And remember, before you obviously get to this point, you would have had conversations with the freelancer, using a chat functionality or doing some video and voice calling, which the tool exists in the platform as well. So when you click on the chat, you actually go into the actual chat of it, and then you can, call them or video call them or whatever it is. So by that point, you have a pretty clear idea of what it is that you're doing. And you'd hope that when you go into hiring and setting the milestones, you also have had conversations around how you want to be, or you yourself have a sort of a good understanding of how to set those milestones. So what milestones are, and the reason we have created the platform in this way, is that it allows the client, so that's you, to pay the freelancer based on the actual job or task that they have completed. So that means that if you had a budget, so in this example, we said the budget was $400. So we can go and we can break that down and we can think of, okay, so if I'm looking for a branding expert to do XYZ, what are the 3 or 4 or 5 deliverables that we need to put aside, and based on what dates and based on what budget? And so when they go and they complete that task and and you're happy with it and you've approved it, that's when you pay. So for this example, we're going to keep it really simple. We're going to go just for this. So we'll break it down and we'll say we're going to create 2 milestones. So over here, you can put your milestone amount. You put in whatever that deliverable is, the name of the milestone. And that's completely, again, this comes down to, really understanding what the job is for you as the client. What is the thing that you need them to deliver first and foremost? Because this also allows you and both parties to go, okay, is the relationship working? Because sometimes when you're working with a freelancer for the first time, you may not know them, you may not know their style. It actually takes time. And so that first milestone is really an opportunity to get to know that bit, and allow yourself to be confident in their deliverable, the ability to deliver on that specific date and on that specific task. So we can look at the date as well. You can select a due date. You can put in whatever that particular date is, and then put in a description. This is a test milestone. We're just going to go and save over here. And so you've successfully updated your milestone. And then what you will see is that it will just say that whatever milestone amount is left. So you've obviously got a budget of 400. So here you've got your details. So you've got your total budget is 400. You can see your remaining budget is 200 because you've set up a $200 milestone right over here. And then obviously you've got other statuses which are not happening at the moment. But you could edit your milestone. It's pending at the moment because it's based on your freelancer accepting those milestones. So the reason you can edit is because when you send the milestone through to the freelancer, they may come back to you and they may negotiate those budgets or those dates. So again, you can go and you click in milestone, put in $200, put in whatever that due date amount is that you want to achieve, put in your description, and you go save, and then you'll see that your milestone is pending. And then once that has saved and you're happy with the milestones, you can send the milestone to the talent. So milestone request, and it will be sent to the talent, and upon their approval, the job will start. So in this section, if the freelancer, if you guys have spoken about it and they're happy, then it's fine. Then your milestones are going to be accepted and you're good to start the job. But if you haven't had that conversation, again, that's okay. That's the whole point of this, is that you can negotiate, you can review, you can change it. So it will be under talent review until the talent has accepted the job. And then the status over here will change. And in another video, I will show you what that looks like.